Sri Srinivasa Ramanujan, the man who knew infinity.
February 26, 2012, our former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh declared December 22nd as the National Mathematics Day to mark the birth anniversary of the mathematical genius Sri Srinivasa Ramanujan, after which every year on December 22nd we celebrate the National Mathematics Day across the nation.
Respected Principal, Reverend Father Michael Anakalingal CMI, Vice Principal and Administrator Reverend Father Tommy Nelluveli CMI, parents, teachers and our charming charites, a warm good morning to all.
We, the students of grade 4, proudly invite you to the magical world of mathematics. Let's together celebrate the National Mathematics Day.
Hey Abhi, have you finished doing today's homework?
Yes, all done except math.
Why have you kept maths homework pending?
I feel bored doing that maths and there is no use of learning math.
Is it so? But I love math. Abhi, what's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is cricket and I love playing cricket.
Shall I ask you a few questions on cricket?
Yes, why not?
How many players are there in one team of cricket?
11 players.
How many balls make an over?
6 balls.
What is the weight of a standard cricket ball?
156 to 166 gram.
What is the length of a cricket pitch?
20 meter.
How many overs are there in the one-day international match?
50 overs.
That's great, Abhi. You don't like math, but you have been applying math in your favorite sport. That's why it's rightly said, mathematics is the world's best game. It helps the world to work better.
Oh, I never realized that. I was applying math in cricket. That's why Tiligan sir rightly said.
ഭൂഗോളത്തിന്റെ ഓരോ സ്പന്ദനവും കണക്കിലാണ്.
Great mathematicians have taught us that there is a solution to every problem. Let's watch some of the famous Indian mathematicians and their contributions to mathematics.
Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta was an Indian mathematician and astronomer. He was the first to give rules to compute with zero. The formula for cyclic quadrilateral was Brahmagupta's most famous result in geometry. Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was a famous astronomer and one of the finest Indian mathematicians of classical age. He was popularly known as the father of Indian mathematics. He gave digit zero to the world and also discovered the value of pi. He wrote many books which still help us in performing various calculations.
Shakuntala Devi was best known as the human computer for her ability to perform lengthy calculations swiftly in her head. Born in Bangalore, she was also known as a mental calculator. Her extraordinary mathematical skills has inspired millions of students across the world.
Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was one of India's greatest mathematical geniuses. He made substantial contributions to the analytical theory of numbers and worked on elliptic functions, continued fraction and infinite series. His papers were published in English and European journals.
Maths is full of games and
to teach Vedic maths. Hello everyone, let me introduce you to Vedic maths. This is the simplest method to do multiplication. Let me show you an example. See, these are two numbers that we need to multiply. First, we multiply ones place number 3 and 2. Answer is 6. Then do cross multiplication. 1 into 2 equal to 2. 3 into 2 equal to 6. Add 2 plus 6. Answer is 8. Then multiply tens place number 1 and 2. Answer is 2. This is answer. Now let us try another question. 33 into 23. First we multiply 3 into 3. Answer is 9. Then do cross multiplication. 3 into 3, 9 and 3 into 2, 6. Then add 9 plus 6. Answer 15. 5 right here and 1 remainder. Multiply tens place number 3 and 2. Answer is 6 and add remainder 1. Answer 7. This is the answer. Hope all of you enjoy learning Vedic maths with me.
Mathematics is an art motivated by beauty. It asks favorite for artists with the beautiful and the attractive pattern. Here is one easy pattern.
Friends, this is a beautiful geometrical pattern that I have drawn. Now I will show you how to draw this pattern. Step 1. Make a vertical and horizontal line like a cross having length 10 cm. Step 2. Mark 10 points on both lines with 1 cm distance. Step 3. Join top points of the vertical line to the first point of the horizontal line on both directions. Continue the same procedure like 4 cm point to 3 cm point etc. and color alternate squares. You will get this simple pattern.
We all love stories, right? Stories capture our heart. How about listening to mathematics-based stories? Mathematics-based stories make us to think and find solutions. Presenting a short story to make you think.
Once upon a time, there were 3 brothers who had an argument over their father's ancestral property. They didn't know how to divide the odd number of horses given by their father among themselves.
Babu, Balu, what will we do? How do we get our share of the horse as instead by our father? I have no idea, Babu. Will anyone be able to help us? Hello guys, you look confused. What's the matter? Yeah, we are confused. Can you help us? Why not? Tell me your problem. Our dear father passed away last week and left us 17 horses. We know. Do not know to distribute the horse among. Our father said that Gopu should get half of the 17 horses. Babu should get 1/3 of the 17 horses, and I should get 1/9 of the 17 horses. That's interesting. I can help you. Suppose I bring one of my horse to your collection of 17 horses. We will have a total of 18 horses. The horses are not here now, so let me explain through pictures. Now we have 80 circles representing 18 houses. Half of 18 is 9.
Bobo will take 9 horses. 1/3 of 18 is 6. Babu will take 6 horses. 1/9 of 18 is 2. Balu will take 2 horses. As simple as that. That's great! You solved our problem. Thank you, brother. It's simple. Logical thinking. Bye, friend. Bye. Let me return home with my horse.
This is why it's rightly said, logical thinking is an important foundation skill of mathematics.
Hello friends, have you heard about Fibonacci sequence? They are a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of two preceding numbers. That is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55 and so on. Fibonacci series exists everywhere around us. Now our friends will show you some simple Fibonacci series that we are familiar with.
Look at this half-cut apple. The seeds are arranged in a star-shaped circle. The 5 seeds inside it is in a Fibonacci sequence.
Hi friends, this is Sangorpam. It is in Fibonacci sequence because it has only one petal.
Friends, all of us know this flower. Yes, it is the hibiscus flower. It has 5 petals. 5 is a Fibonacci number.
This is a taro leaf. Taro has one leaf on the tree, so it is an element of Fibonacci sequence 1.
This is a pea leaf. It has 3 leaves. So it is an element in the Fibonacci sequence 3. This is a pineapple. It has 8 spirals. Most pineapples have 5, 8, 30 or 21 spirals on increasing steeples on their surface. These all are Fibonacci numbers.
Hey friends, have you ever wondered why maths is important? Yes, maths can be applied in each aspect of life. Let's watch the importance of mathematics in daily life.
Maths saves money. Maths helps us to calculate finance and also help you to save your money. Most of the time we spend money on unwanted stuff. Maths helps us to calculate how much money we will lose to buy that stuff. Maths is good for brain. Students should solve maths problems to get their brain healthy and active. It has been proved that the students who solve maths problems in their daily life have higher logical skills than those students who don't solve the problems. Every car uses maths. There's no profession in the world that doesn't use maths, from the blue-collar factory workers to the managerial level white-collar professionals. Everyone uses maths in their work. Time management. Time is the key to success for everyone. Maths helps us to do better time management. With the help of maths, you can make a wise decision how you can spend your time effectively. Maths in sports. From collecting performance data to measuring world records, maths plays a vital role across many aspects of sports. For example, when you are running or cycling, you use a smartwatch or an app to track performance and get all the sorts of statistical information such as heart rate, calories burned, average speed, distance covered, etc. Math helps you understand the world better. Every single part of teacher is based on math. Math offers us the concentration formula which allows us to get the beauty of anything. You can also find mathematical figures in the real world like the hexagonal megons, spider webs, triangle mountains and many more.
In cooking, maths is used to add ingredients to recipes in the correct proportions and ratios. For example, using too much flour when baking cookies makes them extremely hard, while using too much or too little water when boiling rice ruins the texture. Maths is there in every kitchen and on every recipe card.
Dance. There is no escaping
doctor. I will learn maths with dedication. Excellent. That's why Tilagan sir rightly said.
Without mathematics, ഭൂമി വെറും ഒരു വട്ട പൂജ്യം.